Now it's time to unbox. As you can see me, I'm unboxing. This is the Holy Book of Ifa Adimula. As you can see me, I'm doing it all by myself. So please place your order, send me a message on WhatsApp, or you can visit my store www.getabetterlifetv.com, my online store, or you can send me a WhatsApp message using the phone number that is displayed on the screen. You can see this book as well, the OB, or else you'll be in saw and the cowrie. So it's the one you just saw. Then this is if Mimo Ifa, the white one is the Yoruba language. Then so this one I'm holding is Ifa Complete. Ifa Complete inside the whole of this bag. So I'm doing this because of you guys. Just place your order. At least I've restocked because I have limited stock before. I just have to restock again. So these are the stock. These are the stock. So thank you.